Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to get started with Namecheap.com for all your website needs. Step 1. Create an account. To get started, head over to Namecheap.com and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all the features that Namecheap has to offer. Step 2. Choose a domain name. Before you can start creating your website, you need to choose a domain name. Your domain name is your website's address and identity online. With Namecheap, you can search for available domain names using their simple search tool. Step 3. Choose a hosting plan. Now that you have your domain name, you need a hosting plan to host your website. Namecheap offers a variety of hosting plans to fit your needs and budget. Their plans provide reliable service, fast loading speeds, and excellent customer support. Step 4. Install WordPress. After you've purchased your hosting plan, you can install WordPress, the most popular website building platform, with just a few clicks. Namecheap offers a simple installation process that will have you up and running in no time. Step 5. Customize your website. Now that you have your website set up, it's time to customize it. With WordPress, you can choose from thousands of free and paid themes, as well as customizing your site's layout, design, and functionality. And that's it. Those are the basic steps for getting started with Namecheap.com for all your website needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.